Okay, it's time for today's CSS battle. Let's see what we've got. Okay, that looks interesting. Yeah, that looks interesting. Is that actually exactly halfway? Yes, it is. Okay, I think we're going to... How do I want to do this? V3 finally can't. Okay, let's actually let's just make it blank to start off with, and then let's do a conic gradient at 70, 30, and let's start from 90 degrees, and let's do 25% in this color, and then this color for 75%. Well, let's just put a 0 in there. Right, that gets me that line and that line. Now then, would that be better off on a P tag maybe? Actually, yeah, let's make this 2 P tags. But we'll start with just the one. We'll set this background to the light yellow. Then we will do P. Width 200, height 150, background red, margin 0, -8, make that height 300, so -8, -8, and then -300, and then P plus P, we'll actually do it in here, plus P, background blue, margin, where is the, oh, I haven't actually made a second P, that'll be why that isn't showing up. Margin left 192, 192, beautiful. Scale -1, so it flips it and flips it. We actually want the height to be 270, not 300. And then this actually wants to be 240, just like that. And then instead of these 2 backgrounds, we'll get rid of that. background conic gradient at 70 pixels, 30 pixels. We'll actually start it from 90 degrees, and then we'll go transparent 25%, and then this. That gets us those two. Then all we need is the middle block. Uh, 105 to 195. So do conic. Do we need a conic? No, let's just use linear gradient. That is just that color. We'll shift it in 155 and shift it down 105, and we'll make it 90 pixels by 90 pixels and no repeat. It's actually 90 and 45, but or rather this one can just be 45 pixels, just like that. That looks fairly close to me. Let's hit submit. That is 100% match. Okay. 90. So which of these numbers can we crunch down a little tiny bit? Is that any of them? So we'll make that 35 feet H. That's the only one that I can easily crunch. Uh, 90 would be 33% of that, which doesn't help. 155 not divisible by 300. Oh well. Minify and submit. That's not a bad score. We can also take that off and that off. Just trying to work out if I can. If I take off that and then do 0, 0, no, 0, 190. Okay, that's slightly shorter. Leave that, although I think because they've got minus signs I can get rid of those spaces just like that. Right, and I think that will do us. Okay. I think that's where I'll leave it today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.